how to fix Airdrop not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Airdrop not working on your iPhone. What you can do is you can swipe down from the top right corner and then toggle on and off your Airdrop. Next, what you can do is you can go to the airplane mode, toggle it on, and wait for a few seconds and turn it off. This refreshes the network connectivity. And press and hold your airdrop icon, and then you can see that there is receiving off, contacts only, and everyone for 10 minutes. If it is set to contacts only, make sure that it is set to everyone for 10 minutes because sometimes contacts only do not work. And finally, if none of this works, then try restarting a device because sometimes the device might also be the issue. A quick restart can help fix a lot of issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.